Okay, this one we did in class, we did to number 7. So what I'm going to do is do number 14 and number 13, and then number 12, those three, working backwards. Okay, so again, 14, 13, and then 12, right? See if I copy it right. That's important. We'll do 14 first. Why don't I just do two problems, 14 and 12? Okay, I'll do that. You guys need to show your work. This is demonstration. 5x minus y equals 16. So the problem is 5x minus y equals to 16. And the ordered pair is 0, 0. That's easy. Okay, so I'll do number 13 also. You need to make it into slope-intercept form first. You solve for y. You want to isolate the y. So you minus 5x minus 5x. These are not alike, so you copy it. 0, this is a negative 1y. So negative 1y equals to negative 5x. That's a positive 16, so it's plus 16. Divide all by negative 1. Okay, you got y equals to 5x minus 16. So the question asked here for these group of things is write an equation for the line that is perpendicular to the given line that contains the given point. So the perpendicular slope, the slope here is 5. So the slope here is 5, right? This one here. The perpendicular slope is negative 1 over 5, opposite and reciprocal. 5 over 1 is 1 over 5. And then you use 0, 0, y minus y sub 1 equals to m parentheses x minus x sub 1. Now, if you notice, this is the y-intercept, 0, 0. You don't have to do this. And just write y equals to negative 1 over 5x plus 0, or that becomes invisible. Better yet, without it. That's the opposite and reciprocal. But that's not the case for number 13, right? Number 13, let me see if the answer is there. So, yeah, number 22 is letter N. 22, all of 22 is letter N. Okay. So number 13 is 2x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y equals negative 10. So 3x plus 2y equals to negative 10. Make sure I copy correctly. Yep, and the point is negative 9, negative 2. So this is negative 9, negative 2. Isolate the variable y by minusing 3x. Minusing 3x. These are not alike, so you rewrite them. You got 2y equals negative 3x minus a 10. Negative 10, same thing as a minus 10. Divide by 2, by a positive 2, so you got y equals negative 3 over 2x minus a 5. So the slope here is negative 3 over 2. The perpendicular slope is positive 3 over 2 because this is negative, the opposite is positive. Going through this line, so you use point slope. Y minus y sub 1 equals to m parentheses x minus x sub 1. So y minus y sub 1 is negative 2 equals slope is 2 over 3. X minus x sub 1 is negative 9, so x sub 1 is negative 9. So these become plus, right? Distribute. You got 2 over 3x plus 2 over 3 times 9, cross cancel, 3 times 2 is 6, and y plus 2, minus 2 to both sides. You get an equation of y equals to 2/3 x plus 4. Okay, let's see if I made any mistakes. y equals 2/3 x plus 4. Right here. 2/3x, right? So that is number 3, letter M. Make sure it's number 3, yep. And number 12 is the same thing. You just, now all you have to do on your paper, this is an invisible 1. That's 1/4. The slope is 1/4. The perpendicular slope then is -4. And I use point slope, just like I did on number 12. Make sure when you put x in, that's a +3 because that's negative and a negative. You do that one. Okay, on the back side, I put it up the very top. I want you to show work on line paper for number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because to graph, you can graph this one on number 3, y-axis 1, you go up 2/1, right? Going up 2/1, going the other way. But for this one, for number 3, you need to make it into slope-intercept form. You get -2x plus 3y equals to -9. So you would add 2x to both sides. You get 3y equals to -9 plus 2x. Divide by 3. All right, let's see. At -3, start at -3, go up 2/3. Yes, up 2, starting at -3, go up 2, right 3. That's going to down 2, right 3. So the solution is at, that is -3, 5. -3, -5. So solution is -3, -5. Right there, cancel it out. Okay, that's what you're doing. Finding the solution of the graph. They're all one solution, I believe. So you do the same on number 4, okay? Pretty much. So number 4, let's do number 4. You got 3x plus y equals to 0, and x minus y equals to 0. I'm going to solve this first. So 3x plus y, make sure it's correct, equals to 0. I minus 3x. Y equals to 0 minus 3x is just a -3x. Y-intercept is at 0. Okay, and then the other one, this one here, x minus y equal to 0. So I would okay, get 0 there. Okay, I get -1y, or just -y. 0 minus x, I would divide by -1. I get y equals to -0 plus an x, right? So y, how do you write this? Y equals to 1x, or just x, right? This can help you graph starting at 0. Okay, both of them starts at 0. Double check my work, make sure. Yeah, I think I copied. Uh-oh. Right here is 4. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, you didn't get a free 4. right there. Okay, so that's a -4. Let me double check. Minus x, -y, double check that I copied the question right. Yeah. Okay, I think I got it. Okay. So I'm going to graph that one. All right. So first one is graphing at y equals 0. You go down 3/1. Okay, and then the other graph starts out at -4, go up 1/1. Start out at where? No, start out at wrong spot for me, huh? Start out at -4, which is right here, and up 1/1. Aha, we see the solution. Okay, you do that for 5, 6, 7, and 8, and the answer is 1, -3. Cross that out. Okay. Alrighty, hopefully you understand that and do the work and turn it in. For 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm looking for the correct work, you guys. Okay.